So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Welcome back to another beautiful wife series vlog. So today you guys are going to join me as I'm going to be cooking a whole pot of soup for my Igbo husband. How you all doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time you're tuning in, please do also subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly do not forget to share. So this is me bringing another vibes on your table. So first I have to wash my pots to make sure that everything is clean. Then I have to also get water in this kettle because I feel like I want to boil it. Okay, yes. Anyway, so this is me practically just like losing all the meat, kanda, or what they call it. Is it bomo or kanda? I don't know which one you know on your own end. Then cow, is it cow tail? So oh god, I forgot it. Anyway, this is me just losing all of them together because I actually want to give them a thorough wash. And yeah, putting them in the bowl. This bowl is actually doing a lot for me, and I'm so grateful for this particular bowl in my life. If you know me on this channel, you should know me with this bowl. So adding a little pinch of salt so that I can be able to use it to wash my meat. Let me know in the comment section if you do the same thing you do. So right now I'm done washing, and I'm packing them, putting them inside my pot so that I can put them on the gas. Is it gas? Because the last time I said fire, someone said hey. So right now this is me after washing the kanda thoroughly. Make sure you wash inside and everywhere. Make sure it's very neat. This is me just trying to slice them into the size that I want. I hope this is looking interesting. So after that I just have to slice some onions. Who can cook in Nigeria without onions? I really do not know, but I love onions so much. So chopping the onions inside my pot, and imagine that other one fly, but I didn't give a damn about it, and I'm still continuing my slicing. Yeah, so after slicing the onions, the next thing I need to do is to go and get my Maggi, because you know, for you to parboil for you to be able to steam, I don't even know language to use your meat, you just need to use some of these things I'm using. Simple normal thing. So this is me just squashing the Maggi inside. Let me call it squash. Don't mind me guys. And then I went inside to go and carry my minced thyme curry and blah 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 blah. I say it's not no time, sure, sorry, what they call it, curry, I think. Oh my god, it is well. So this is me just trying to wash my pot cover as the madam that I is, washing it very well so that no cockroaches, no rats, nothing will just try and touch it. Okay, so yeah, on in my gas, and then I'm gonna set my pot on the gas. Let me not set the fire again. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoyed this vlog. If you've not subscribed at this point, I really do not know why. Please do it, subscribe. So, and here am I washing my mortar. I think this is the first time I'm actually using this mortar and pestle, okay, on this particular, on my channel. So this is me practically washing it, and I'm trying to wash the handle at the pestle as well so that everything can actually be nice and clean. What is cooking without making everywhere nice? So this is me trying to like wash my pepper and putting them inside the mortar because I want to make sure I use my hand to pan very well this time around. I want to show you guys that I'm the real wife material. Going to check my meat to ensure that everything is in stock, and I'm trying to like ton. Here I have ukpehe. So who is cooking soup without ukpehe if you're a Kogi State person? And I got a whole lot because my mom actually prepared a whole lot for me. So this is actually her business that she does, okay? So yeah, I carry two and I throw inside, and I'm trying to like pan them together. So pan with me to make sure everything is going to blend. If you've not started using ukpehe, why? If you've not patronized my mama, why? Tell me to give you a number. She can give you even if it's 1,000 pieces. So here after done pounding, I have to set my mortar at the side, and then I have to wash. I take my fish, right? Yeah, I take up right. So I have to remove my smoked fish, and then I have to wash it thoroughly. I love washing them thoroughly. And here I'm raising the plates that I'm actually going to like disembark the good part of the fish and put inside. So this is me after washing. I'm trying to still rinse again so that I will make sure that everything is nice and clean as a good new wife that I is. So yeah, After that, oh yeah, let's go. Computer is trying to like push me forward before my time, and I don't know. So this is me practically just removing all this bagging the good part of the fish from the bad part. Okay, after that I have to pack the parts that are not good, tie them and put them inside my waste bin, put them one side, going back to check my stuff if it's okay. And here coming to wash my spatula. Is this spatula? I don't know, let me know in the comment section. So and now I'm turning to make sure everything is good, nice and clean. And this is me showing you the fish and dancing. Tell me in the comment section if you are the kind of person that will actually prepare fish or meat without putting some in your mouth, especially if it's the one that is roasted or done. So here is me putting some small liquid soap inside my plate, and I want to wash this plate because I want to use it to do another thing. That's why I say this plate has suffered in my hand. This plate will actually be telling me, Father Lord, why did I come to this girl's hand? But you actually do not have a choice because I'm pampering you. After everything, I always wash you. So this is me adding water. After knowing that everything is okay, add water, turn, and then I move to the next slide of this video. So after making sure that my plate is well, nice and clean, I am going to be using my grinded egusi, pour them inside these plates. So once I pour them, then I am going to be adding my hot water. Actually, this is one of my methods. I actually learned this method from CCME and Joyful Cook, or I think it's Joyous Cook, or is it Joyful Cook? Either of them anyways. So yeah, they have really been a great help to my life. So this is me just missing, and then I'll set this aside. And this is me just trying to like arrange all my things that I will use to cook one place so that everywhere will be nice and clean. Now I open my pots. Oh my god, see as my meat is meaty. If I hear in the comment section that this meat is not plenty, if I tell you the amount I bought this meat, you will not even open your mouth and say that. Anyways, this is me just trying to wash my chopping board because it's time for me to chop the greens, which is vegetable. So I'm actually going to use vegetable, which is ugu leaf, and it's popularly known in Nigeria. So if you're watching me from abroad, just know that this one is ugu leaf. We use it a lot, okay? So this is me trying to chop to make sure everything is in place. And when I'm done, I have to rinse my plastic or my plate, and then I turn my meat inside. Then I rinse my pot very well because this is the right time to start this cooking. Would they breathe? Now I have the whole lot of this red oil. This red oil has been a lifesaver. And I'm just trying to open it so that I can be able to put some inside my inside the container, okay? Because I don't have time to like dish small and put in where I used to save it. So let's forget about that part. Now my pot is well dry. It's time for me to put the red oil. Pour again because I noticed that it's small. I love whenever I'm frying my egusi, let me be seeing that oil on it. I don't want it to show whereby I'll be lacking oil when I'm frying egusi. It's not going to give me that vibe. So this is my oil, hot. And the next thing, I'm gonna pour my egusi inside. If you've not subscribed at this point, I actually do not know what you're waiting for. Subscribe so that I can get more of these vibes on your table. So yeah, put it inside. After putting it inside, I'm just gonna make sure I give it a very good stir, and that is what you should also be doing, okay? So and I'm giving it a good stir. I keep stirring. As I'm stirring, please be subscribing, and please be commenting, and please be liking, and please be telling me the good parts of this video for you. And this is me after giving it some time to fry. I'm here to pour my meat, kanda, everything sha. So after pouring it, oh my god, the face is already looking good. So cover it to simmer a little, and then I come back to open it, okay? Let me know in the comment section if you're using this onga egusi to cook. It tastes so nice. So this is my pepper and my ukpe or local maggi as popularly known. So this is me just trying to turn. Trust me, you need to use this local maggi so that it gives it one good taste like that. This is me putting my seasoning cubes, and this is me adding my salt, and this is me just turning. Have I added salt? I think so. Yeah, I've added. So anyways, don't mind me guys, this is me turning, and here I close for it to simmer again. I come back to open again. Then after I know that it has done, I have to now start throwing these fishes inside. Oh my god, Omo, if you chop this soup, in fact, when my darling husband ate this soup, he was like, oh my God, I did not regret getting married to this woman from Kogi State. If you're on my WhatsApp, you saw all the comments and complimentaries, okay? So yeah. If you're not following me on Insta, I wonder why you're not following me on Instagram, because I actually have a whole lot of updates on Instagram there too, okay? So yeah, this is me coming to put back my ugu. So for those of you asking about my Instagram handle, it's just Vibesonia. Click on it and just follow. It will not harm you. Please follow me on Insta. I love you guys. Mwah. So anyways, putting my green and see how greenish it is, giving it that egusi vibes. Right now, I'm just gonna stir. I'm just trying to like stir like all this yummy, delicious food and joyous food, how they used to stir. They will not be stirring as if they're stirring fast. You need to stir that big man or that big woman vibe stirring. So that is what I'm trying to do. I don't know about you, okay? So yeah. After stirring, I cover it and let it simmer a little, and then I come back. When I come back, this is what I am going to be getting. Oh my God, are you seeing the face of this egusi? Jesus Christ. And here am I trying to wash all my stuff. You guys already know me that whenever I am doing all of these things, I need to wash to make everywhere clean. So this is me just basically just doing my normal wash of the day. So let's wash together. After washing, you rinse everywhere. Make sure your sink is well clean and everything. Then you rinse your plate. Then you cover it so that it will actually be very okay and very dry. You know what I mean? Then you wash your mortar too, so that your mortar will not be smelling, except for the fact, especially for the fact that you use to pay. Oh my God, it's gonna be over for you. Anyways, this is me serving my husband like the rich man that he is, and I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. So this is me singing food is well served, Omo, we did not chop this food here because I told him that we should use this food and do food mukbang. So you guys are going to see the mukbang, but if the mukbang is not interesting, I'm going to delete it. So I love you guys. I think we've come to the end of this video. Like, subscribe, comment and share. Oh my God, see my husband, check out this man. Oh. If I go speak Igbo, I don't know. Anyways, forget the blabbing I'm trying to blab here, okay? Because at the end of the day, I don't talk and say I won't use this for do mukbang and no fish out. You know, everything is content as far as or as long as YouTube is concerned. But more, this man chop this food, biting finger, confirm say he really married wife from Igalas. I want to say Igala State, Kogi State, don't mind me. Anyways, bye guys. With no further ado, I do like always in my videos. I'm gonna say bye and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.